Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on shift lock mode in Fish It, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to find out how to turn on shift lock mode, make sure you guys watch the video up until the end, and let's get straight into it. So first thing you need to do is you need to go over to settings and you need to make sure that you have shift lock switch turned on, because if this is off, then no matter what you will do, it will not turn on. Anyways, once you have that turned on, you guys can go ahead and hit resume or escape. Now, once you hit shift lock mode, you will realize your character does go into that movement, but as soon as you let go of the mouse or like you try to turn around, it doesn't work. So what you need to do is you need to right click your mouse, and then that is the only way your mouse will stay in position and you will be able to move as you were in shift lock mode. So it's not as like other games where you could do it without, not right clicking, but it's better than nothing, so you're gonna have to just use that. So yeah, that is essentially it. Once you hit the left shift lock switch, you have to right click your mouse, and then it will stay in space or stay in place, and then that is how you can move in shift lock mode. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.